Ayan, kumusta? Sige, kumusta my friends? Sige. Ayan. I'm just setting up my, yung slides ko. Sige. Ayan, sige. Oopsie, there's one more. Ayan, sige. Ako will share my screen na. Mag-share na ako ng screen ko. Mabuti ako, salamat. Um, please make sure na kayo ay nakamute. Sige. Ayan.
Can you check that chicken, please?
What? Sige. Okay. Okay, what is that? Oh, okay. What do I do? Okay, it says I cannot. Sige. Sandali lang, sandali lang. Wait a sec. Sige, sige, sige. Sige. Ayan. Salamat. Maraming salamat, everyone. Ayan. Thank you for waiting for me. Ayan. Sige. Welcome to Jeepney School. Tagalog class. Ang lesson natin today ay mga pagkain. Food. Pero we will also use pseudo verbs. Learn more about pseudo verbs and learn how to express our wants, other people's wants using pseudo verbs sa Tagalog. Sige. Ayan. Pero, bago yan, before that, mag-review tayo ng lesson natin nung Monday. Okay? I hope you didn't forget. Sige? Ayan. Okay, now I want you to write one sentence, isang sentence for pseudo verb. Okay? Yan, one sentence for pseudo verb. Gusto ko ng. Okay? This is the sentence frame that you can follow. Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Gusto ko ng adobo. Gusto ko ng sinigang. Okay? One sentence for that. And then another sentence using our existential my. My Nintendo Switch ako. I have a Nintendo Switch. My passport ako. Um, my tricycle ako. I don't. Um, pero that's an example. Sige. Ayan. Okay. Now, kung ready na kayo, I can ask a friend in a little bit to share their sentences. Sige. Can I assign a co-host that will help me mute those who are not aware that they're not muted? Sige. Um, Chris, Ate Cheryl, are you volunteering to be my co-host? Oh, sige, sige, sige. Sige, sige, sige. Salamat. Sige, now who can share their sentences? Sige, Christina? Rono? Sige.
Gusto ko ng sushi.
Mhm. Magaling.
My passport and suitcase ako.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Jake Pranyan, pasensya, sorry.
Yes,
Sige.
hi Ate Cherry.
Sige.
Gusto ko ng fan because it's really hot in New York right now. And then my coffee ako.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Liberty Estolas. Sige.
Gusto ko ng ice cream.
Mhm.
May aso ako.
Magaling. Salamat. Julie Subido.
Hi, ate. Gusto ko ang manga.
Magaling.
May berdeng kotse ako.
Magaling, salamat. So, Ate Julie used ang, which is correct. So, it means she's being specific. Gusto ko ang mangga. I want the mango. But you could also say gusto ko ng mangga. I want a mango. Sige? Ayan. Maybe last one. Sige. Anne Canton. Sige. Sige. Anne, you're, hindi kita marinig. I can't hear you. Sige. Yan, magaling. Salamat. Sige. Sige, sige. Last one. Sige, maraming volunteer. We have a lot of, I love it. Sige, si Ate Liz. Liz Estrada.
Gusto ko ng soda.
Mhm.
May tubig ako.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ayan. Mag-move na tayo sa next slide. Okay po? Sige, now let's work on our pronunciation sa mga words na ito sa ating vocab. The first one is kanin. Kanin. Let's say kanin 3 times. Kanin, kanin, kanin. Magaling. Sige. Next ay tinapay. Bread. Tinapay. Let's say tinapay 3 times. Tinapay, tinapay, tinapay. Magaling, magaling. Salamat. Sige, so nung Monday we learned how to say I want this or I like that, but let's learn now how to ask them if they want this food. Sige, how do we do that? We say gusto mo ba ng kanin or gusto mo ba ng tinapay? Sige. Now, ito ang options that you can use to answer that question. Okay? You can say, Opo, gusto ko po ng kanin. Okay, follow Ate Cherry. Opo, gusto ko po ng kanin. Or if you don't want to accept it or you don't want to receive the food or eat the food, you can say, Hindi po. Hindi po. Ayaw ko po ng. Ayaw ko po ng. Okay, repeat after me. Ayaw ko po ng. I don't want. Ayaw ko po ng kanin. Ayaw ko po ng tinapay. Sige. Now, another option, another way to say no is okay lang ako. Okay lang ako. I'm good. Busog po ako. Busog po ako means I'm full. I just ate. I just had McDonald's. Sige. Ayan. Busog po ako. Let's say it together. Busog po ako. Can make sure na naka-mute kayo, my friends. Okay? Sige. Busog po ako. Then another one, another way to say no, because maybe you have food restrictions, you can say, hindi po ako kumakain ng, I don't eat kanin. Hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin dahil because I have celiac disease, di ba? Or hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin dahil gluten-free po ako. Or hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin dahil allergic po ako sa kanin. Sige, yan. Salamat. Okay, now let's practice. Who wants to participate? I'm gonna ask you, gusto mo ba ng? And then you can answer me. Sige, ayan. Ate Liberty, gusto mo ba ng tinapay?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tinapay.
Magaling. Ate Crystal Emerita, gusto mo ba ng kanin? Ate,
Oh, okay, sorry. Opo, gusto ko po ng kanin.
magaling. Ate Kuya William Leonard, sige. Gusto mo ba ng tinapay?
Opo, gusto ko ng Gusto ko po ng tinapay.
Magaling, salamat. Next ay Mikey Orense. Gusto mo ba ng kanin?
Hindi po ako hindi po ako kumakain ng kanin dahil diet ako.
Oh, me too! For the last 10 years. Sige. Sige, salamat. I've been trying to do that for the last 10 years. Sige. I always start every Monday. Sige. My friend Eliza, gusto mo ba ng tinapay?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tinapay.
Magaling. Angelica Riaso, gusto mo ba ng kanin?
Hindi po, busog po ako.
Magaling, salamat. Sige, last one. Sige, Paige. Sige. Gusto mo, oh, you're waiting for me. Pasensya, sorry. Gusto mo ba ng kanin?
Lang ako, busog po ako.
Magaling, salamat. Sige, magaling, magaling. Next naman ay manok. Let's say it together. Manok. Manok. Let's say manok 3 times. Manok, manok, manok. Magaling. Manok para sa chicken, whether it's alive or fried or still running around, it's a manok. Sige. Next ay isda. Let's say it together. Isda. Fish. Let's say it 3 times. Isda, isda, isda. Magaling, magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ayan. Ngayon, I'm gonna ask you, same drill. I'm gonna ask you, gusto mo ba ng manok? Sige, if you wanna participate, raise your hand. Sige. Arlene Alvarez, gusto mo ba ng manok?
Oo, gusto ko po ng manok.
Magaling. Isaac Velasquez, gusto mo ba ng isda?
Hindi po ako kumakain ng isda dahil vegan.
Oh, salamat. Magaling. Mark Loon? Loon? Gusto mo ba ng manok?
Okay lang ako. Busog po ako.
Magaling. Urban? Sige. Gusto mo ba ng isda?
Opo, gusto ko po ng isda.
Magaling. Christina Becerra? Gusto mo ba ng manok?
Hindi po, ayaw ko po ng manok.
Magaling. Robin Relosa, gusto mo ba ng isda?
Hindi po ako kumakain ng isda dahil allergies.
Yan, magaling. Salamat. Sige. Noel C, gusto mo ba ng manok?
Opo, gusto ko po ng manok.
Sige. At last one, Francis Salvador, gusto mo ba ng isda?
Opo, gusto ko po ng isda.
Magaling. Salamat. Okay, now I'm gonna ask everyone and just answer in unison, but don't unmute. Okay? Sige. Gusto mo ba ng manok? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng isda? Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ayan, next ay gulay. Gulay. Sige, when I asked the kids class earlier, who wants gulay? Like no one raised their hands and there are like 300 of them. Sige. Ayan. Okay, ngayon let's work on our pronunciation sa gulay. Let's say gulay 3 times. Gulay, gulay, gulay. Magaling. Okay? It's not golay, it's gu. Gulay. Okay, gulay. Next ay prutas, fruits. Let's say prutas 3 times. Prutas, prutas. Prutas. Magaling. Prutas. Good job. Magaling. Sige. Ayan, same thing, same drill. I'm gonna ask you, gusto mo ba ng gulay? Sige, if you want to participate, raise your hand. Gusto mo ba ng gulay, Heather Corrales?
Okay lang ako. Pusang po ako.
Magaling. Busog po ako. Magaling. Sige. Chris Bautista, gusto mo ba ng prutas?
Opo, gusto ko po ng prutas.
Magaling. Derek, sige, Niziol, pasensya, sorry. Gusto mo ba ng gulay?
Opo, gusto ko po ng gulay.
Magaling. Monadel, gusto mo ba ng prutas?
Okay lang ako. Busog po ako.
Magaling. Jenna with books behind sa background. Gusto mo ba ng prutas?
Okay lang ako. Busog.
Magaling, magaling. Sige, last one, si Ray Marcos. Gusto mo ba ng gulay?
Opo, gusto ko po ng gulay.
Magaling. Sige, now I'm gonna ask everyone. Okay, ready? Sige, gusto mo ba ng gulay? Magaling, magaling. Sige, gusto mo ba ng prutas? Yan, magaling, magaling. Salamat. Sige, ngayon, ito naman ay sa drinks. Sige, ayan. So, we can say sa Tagalog, if you want to say water, we say tubig. Tubig. Not too big. Not too big, like two things that are big. Hindi. It's tubig. Sige, let's say it together. 3 times. Tubig, tubig, tubig. Very good. At our T sound in Tagalog doesn't have an H sound like in English. It's not too big. It's too big. Okay, too big. Magaling. Now let's say para sa milk, let's say gatas. Let's say it together. Gatas. Gatas. Very good. Let's say gatas 3 times. Gatas, gatas, gatas. Very good. Magaling. Okay, actually, I forgot to add here. If you want coffee, because you don't want gatas, then you can have kape. Coffee. Okay. Coffee. Kape. Sige. Next we also have chaa. Chaa for tea. Okay, chaa. Sige, it has the ch sound, chaa. But it's not like the chaa, like the boba tea. Not that way. Like, when I think about chaa, I think about like the warm drink. Sige, that's the tea. That, like a herbal tea. Sige, chaa. Next, another one is, we have, I mean, we don't use this word, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. Sorbetes. Cerveza. I think it's Spanish loan word, cerveza, for beer. They just say beer in the Philippines. Cerveza, and we also have for soda, we don't say soda, we say soft drinks. Soft drinks. Sige. Ayan. Sige, I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna move this. Wait a sec. There you go. Okay, same drill. Sige. Oh, actually, here for this part, we don't say kumakain because kain is for eating. Okay? We say, I'm gonna type it here. Sorry. Hindi po ako umiinom. I don't drink ng blank dahil blank. Okay? You don't drink blank because dahil blank. Sige? Ayan. Gusto mo ba ng tubig? Grace Barrios, gusto mo ba ng tubig?
Opo, gusto ko po ng tubig.
Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng gatas? Robin Rilosa? Gusto mo ba ng gatas?
Hindi po ako umiinom ng gatas dahil lactose intolerant.
Oh, magaling, magaling. That's a good use ng sentence. Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng kape? Coffee? Gusto mo ba ng kape? AJ Bayot? Gusto mo ba ng kape?
Oh, excuse me, I was unmuted. Opo, gusto ko po ng kape.
Magaling. Sige. Gusto mo ba ng serbesa? Beer? Ate Chair, why are you offering that? Sige, gusto mo ba ng serbesa, Melissa?
Hindi po. Okay lang, hindi po ko umiinom. 20 years old si ko.
Oh, sige, salamat. Sorry. I should be in jail. Sige, salamat.
Should.
Sige. Melissa Carrera, gusto mo ba ng soft drinks?
Hindi po ako uminom nga soft drinks dahil diabetes.
Magaling. Not magaling that you have diabetes. No, that's not what I meant. Sige, I mean magaling that you answered my question and you used the sentence. Sige, salamat. Okay, now everyone. Sige, I'm gonna ask 5 kape, tsaa, cerveza, soft drinks 6 times. I'm gonna ask you 6 times. You can answer 6 times. Ready? Gusto mo ba ng tubig? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng gatas? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng kape? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng tsaa? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng serbesa? Magaling. Gusto mo ba ng soft drinks? Magaling, magaling everyone. Sige, salamat. Sige, now, tayo will go here sa ating pseudo verb na gusto. So, we learned nung Monday how to say I want, right? Ko. Example, gusto ko ng Jollibee. I always do. Sige, gusto ko ng Jollibee. My examples are always food. Sige. Gusto ko ng Jollibee, right? We learned that noong Monday. Gusto ko ng Jollibee. Now, how do we say that Jackson wants Jollibee? We say dito, we use ni. Okay, Jackson. I'll just give Jackson a nickname. Gusto ni Jackson ng Jollibee. Okay, Jackson wants Jollibee. Okay, now how do we say you want Jollibee? We say mo. Okay, mo. Mo. Gusto mo ng Jollibee. Gusto mo ng Jollibee. You want Jollibee. Okay, now if I'm talking to more than one person, okay, I'm talking to maybe 5 of you, and I'm telling you that you guys want Jollibee, I would say ninyo. Okay, it would be gusto ninyo ng Jollibee. Okay, now if I want to say he, she wants Jollibee, remember sa Tagalog we have neutral pronouns for he and she. Sige, he and she or he, she wants Jollibee. It would be gusto niya or gusto niya ng Jollibee. Next ay nila. Nila, they. They want Jollibee. How do we say that? Okay, if you think you know the answer, then just like say it out loud. Gusto nila ng Jollibee. Okay, now if I want to say we, you guys and me, decided we're all hungry, 300 of us, and we're going to Jollibee, we say gusto natin, inclusive, we natin, ng Jollibee. Okay? Next is namin. We, but it's exclusive. That means it's just me and my friends, and I'm not including the person who I'm talking to. Sige? It would be gusto namin ng Jollibee. You guys can go get your Chick-fil-A. Me and my pals are going to get our Jollibee and our pineapple drink. Sige? Naintindihan? Sige, now, man, Jollibee should sponsor me, right? I've been like promoting Jollibee a lot. Like, hello, Jollibee, I'm here. Can you fund our free Tagalog classes? Sige, anyway, now I want you to write a sentence for each markers, okay? I know it sounds a lot, but you can use the same template. Like for me, I just use Jollibee for all of it, okay? Now I want you to write ni, gusto ko, gusto mo, gusto ninyo, gusto niya, gusto nila, gusto natin, gusto namin, and then you add whatever it is that you want, they want, he or she want. Sige? Okay. Now, while you do that, I'm gonna write more examples on the screen. Sige? Gusto ko ng $1 million. Sige? Gusto ko ng 1 million. Okay. Next, gusto ni Ate Erica. Gusto ni Ate Erica ng 1 million. Gusto mo. You want 1 million. See, gusto ninyo ng 1 million. Oops, I repeated ng. Gusto niya. She wants $1 million. Sige. And gusto nila. They want $1 million. Gusto natin. Namin. Okay. Sige, sige. Ayan. Tapos na. Tapos na, my friends. Hindi pa. Sige, I'll give you more 10, 10 segundo. 10 seconds. Sige. Opo, you're right, Kim D. Gusto ni Ate Cherry ng Jollibee sponsorship. Yep. You're right. Sige. Ano pa? What else? Sige. Sino, kung ready ka na, if you're ready to share it sa klase, raise your hand. Sige. Kung ready na. Sige. Sige. I'm not sure if it's Jaime or Jimmy. Sige.
Gusto ko drums. Gusto ko ng drums.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. You can share one sentence or like more than one, like 2 or 3. Sige, that you wrote. Tasha Martinez.
Gusto ni Sunday ng Jollibee. Gusto ko ng Taco Bell.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Ren Abogado.
Gusto natin ng success and happiness.
Totoo. That's true. That's an option too. Not only food. I'm that's not very nice of me to always teach you about food. Sige, you can say gusto ko ng freedom. Gusto ko ng justice. Gusto ko anything. Anything abstract too, you can add that. Sige. Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Anne? Canton? Sige. I can't hear you. Sige, Anne. Sige, salamat, Anne. Sige, Nico Florido.
Gusto ni Andrew ng ampalaya.
Magaling. Talaga? Really?
Hindi.
Oh, hindi.
Joke
Sige.
lang.
Sige, salamat. Sige. Caitlin Kabatian.
Gusto ko money.
Magaling. Totoo, totoo. Sige, now I want all of you to read out loud what you wrote, okay? And I'm gonna ask you, ano ang gusto mo? Or ano ang gusto nila? Ready? Go. Ano ang gusto mo? Magaling. Salamat. Sige, salamat. Now, gusto ko, I want to encourage you to write many sentences using all of these markers. Sige, kasi it's really important na kayo get used to this. Now, if you say, ako, gusto ako, okay? Kasi ako is also I, but this is a focus marker. Gusto ako ng Jollibee, you are saying that Jollibee wants me. Okay? So instead of saying gusto ko ng Jollibee, I want Jollibee, but if you change it to ako, you're saying that I am wanted by Jollibee. Okay? Sige. So yun ang difference of ako and ko. So be careful. Always remember that, oh, maybe Jollibee wants me, you know? We don't know. Sige. So, remember that if it's a pseudo verb gusto, it's always followed by ko. Gusto, ko. Okay? Unless you really want to say ako. Okay? Maraming salamat, my friends! Actually, there's one more question I have here. Maybe I'm gonna ask a few. Ano ang gagawin mo bukas? What will you do tomorrow? What are your plans for tomorrow? Ano ang gagawin mo bukas? You can answer me by saying, magsha-shopping ako bukas, magnanap ako for 8 hours bukas, mag-gardening ako bukas, magja-Jollibee ako bukas. Okay? I'm gonna ask you. Okay? Answer me in unison but don't unmute. Ano ang gagawin mo bukas? Yan, magaling! Maraming salamat, my friends! Please do your homework, memorize the words sa memorization list, and if you have more time, you can always find more words to learn and memorize. Sige, maraming salamat, kita-kits!
Excuse me, Chair.
Salamat, Ate Cherry.
Salamat!
Salamat,
Ingat! Salamat!
Chair, excuse me. Where can I find the homework on the Zoom?
Sorry.
It's okay. Where can I find the homework on the on Zoom?
Salamat po.
Salamat. Pasensya, sorry, Donovan.
It's okay. Where can I find the homework on the Zoom? Because I was looking for it on my phone. I went to Zoom up.
Sige. So it's not here sa Zoom, it's in the Google Sheet. I sent out an email like a week ago or 2 weeks ago where all the materials, that's where you will find all the materials, recording, slides, even the slides, I included all my slides there. Try to find it in your junk mail, sa spam. And if you cannot find it, then let me know. Okay?
Gotcha.
So I
Okay.
can send you a
Thank you.
link. Salamat.
Yeah, okay. Salamat.
Salamat! Salamat! Merry Christmas! What? Sige, salamat.
Question 4. The class is only 30 minutes long.
Actually, it's just 25 minutes, but I like to overtime. Yeah.
Okay, thank you po.
Yeah. Salamat. Salamat. Ingat.